Hey, this is Joel. I'm back in my shop to tell you about one of the handiest products that I've installed in the last 6 months, and that is this Extreme Max box rag dispenser. Now, I ended up buying a bunch of different accessories from Extreme Max because they've got a really cool industrial look to them. They're all welded aluminum. This is not a bunch of junk held together with little bolts. You don't have to assemble it. It's got these really tight aluminum welds around each corner. It looks like it's gonna last forever, and because it's aluminum, it's never gonna rust. But more than that, it makes these box of rags, which I just go through constantly, easy to dispense. There's a hole in the bottom, very simple. You just turn the box of rags upside down. They come out the bottom, you pull one, and you have the next one ready to come out right here below it. I installed it about 5.5 feet up in the air so that they were just easy to grab. But I think this is one of the most ingenious, simple products that I've bought for the shop yet, because it's just angled aluminum. It mounts firmly to the wall. It's got 4 holes in the back. Just use either straight stud installation or heavy drywall mounts. But I have been really impressed with not just this, but every Extreme Max product that I've bought. I've got the coat hanger. I've got some of the smaller shelves and hook hangers for like straps and little bottles of spray and WD-40, things like that. So I've yet to be disappointed with anything that I've bought from Extreme Max, and I'm going to continue to find ways to use all of the little accessories they have for the shop and things that mount to the wall. So again, this is the box rag dispenser, and I know you can use this with several different brands of box rags. You just have to check your dimensions. You'll see the one I'm using here has a little space. There's another one that's a little tighter in there, but you can use it with pretty much any of these box rag setups as long as they fit within the dimensions of the inside of the shelf. But I'd highly recommend you check this out. I really think you're going to like it.